Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you'll need to do is to open the settings on our Apple Watch. So let's press the crown button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called the General and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called Reset and select it. Then select Erase all content and settings. Then scroll down, find the button called Erase all and tap on it to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though that performing factory reset on your watch will remove all of your settings and personal data from your watch. So now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this screen that says to bring your iPhone close to your Apple Watch, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.